Dear students, I left one of the Venn diagram in the what? In the universal set. So after the Venn diagram, I go for the next one concept. So in the universal set, I have taken the one of the example is like when set A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and set B equal to 0, 2, 4, 6, A and A union B. So what is A union B? The A union B is nothing but the set of all the elements which are belongs to set A or B or to the both. So when we are going to be write down for the A union B, we have to first write down the common elements. The common elements are here in the 2 and 4, and the elements which are remaining in the set A is 1, 3, and in the set B is 1, that is 0, 6, 8. The elements which are belonging to set A or B or to the both set. Got it? Okay. And here again the elements should not be repeated from the set A or from the set B. Okay. Then what about the Venn diagram for the A union B is? This is a Venn diagram. So Venn diagram for the A union B is, this is for the A union B. So this is a universal set. Here how many sets we have been taken? Set A, set B. This is set A, set B. Here what we have in the middle, we have to be write the common element. What are the common elements for the set A and B is, that is 2 and 4 we have to write down in the middle. And the remaining elements except the 2, 4, what are the elements which are left in the set A is 1, 3. And in the set B, which are the elements left? That is 0, 6, 8. So for the A union B, so the elements which are present in A, which are present in A or B or to the both means whatever the common we have. So this is the one, the Venn diagram for the what? The union of the set A and getting. So or stand for what? The union. The elements which are present in A or in B or in the both, that is nothing but what? This is the nothing but the union of the set A union B. Okay. So this is I left in the previous class to teach on this the Venn diagram. So the next one concept. So now we have been studied the that is the union of set and the intersection of the set. The next one is about the what? So some few note you have to be note down in the what? The intersection of the set is. Some few notes are there. Note. It means important highlight. That is the first one. A intersection B. A intersection B is, that is A intersection B is subset of R equal to A, and A intersection B is a subset of R equal to B. So if I take the one of the example like again from 1, if I take set A is equal to A comma B, set B equal to A comma B comma C, and A intersection B is the common elements of the AB, that is A, B, C, D I will take. Okay, so here A intersection B is what? A, B, C. So A intersection B is what? The subset of the A. A intersection B is what? Subset of the A. Is it? So A, B, C are present in set A, and A intersection B is the subset of P or equal to B, but it is subset of P. A intersection B is also subset of B. So this is one of the property. A intersection B is subset of or equal to A, and A intersection B is subset of or equal to B. By one of the example I show you that how it is depending. Okay. The next one, when if A is subset of R equal to B, then A intersection intersection B is again A. If A is a subset of or equal to B, then A intersection B, they have given is equal to A. Okay. So when I take the example is like if A equal to 1, 2 and B equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Here A should be subset of or equal to B. So A is a subset of B. It means 1, 2 is present in this set B. Then A intersection B is what you get? The common elements from the set A and B. That is 1, 2. So A intersection B, what you get? That is again A. Look here, when A is a subset of B, then A intersection B again what you get? That is nothing but the A. The third one is about if A is any set, and U is corresponding universal set, then A intersection U is again what you get? A intersection U is again what you get? A. Again, for example, if I take for this one, if U is 1 to 9, that is 1 to 9, and set A is equal to, I will take only set 1, element 1, then what is U intersection A? Say U intersection A is equal to A intersection U. Enku baribodu. Even A union B is nothing but B union A. Getting? Okay. So what is U intersection A? The common elements from U and A is only 1. So again what you get here, it has nothing but A union. U intersection A to baribodu A. Any problem? You can write down as the first element as the A and second element as the U. No problem. Okay. That is, these are the what? Some important note about the intersection of the sets. Okay. The next one concept is about the one that is again the operation on the sets. The third one. This is the third one. The third one. Difference of sets. Difference of sets. So difference means what? That is nothing but the subtraction between the two sets. Consider two sets. A and B. The difference of A in B. So look here. The difference of A in B, I am telling. A in B is denoted as A minus of B. What is A minus of B? Is the elements which are present in A but not in B. What is the difference of A in B? I am telling you. A in B means A minus B, we write down. Then what is B in A means? We have to be write B minus A. Got it? Okay. So consider the two sets. The difference of A in B is denoted as A minus B. That is, A minus B means A in B. Difference of A in B is the set of elements which are present in A but not in B. So A minus B we write for all the elements X such that X belongs to A X is belongs to A, but X is not belongs to B. That elements are belongs to set A, but not belongs to set B. So, but to very old or common okay. Okay. But X is not belongs to B. If I take the examples, set A equal to, if I take the elements, set A equal to 1, 2, 4, 6, 8 again. Okay. And the set B is equal to 0, 2, 4, 6, 9, 10 again. Then what is A minus B? So A minus B is nothing but what? A minus B is the elements which are present in A but not in B. Okay. So A minus B very 1, 2, 4, 6, 8. So illen ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ನಾನು 12 ತಗೋತೀನಿ. ಯಾವುದು ನಡೀತದೆ? Okay. That is 8 then 12 minus 0, 2, 4, 6, 9, 10. So I have taken the numbers randomly. Don't worry. Okay. Then what are the common difference in what are the common elements in A and B is 2, 4, 6 only. 2, 4, 6 only. Okay. The elements A minus B and the elements which are present in A but not in B. Okay. But not in B. So ಯಾವ common elements A ಒಳಗಿದಾವಲ್ಲ, the common elements which are present in A as well as in B, the elements which are common in A, the remaining elements of the A are nothing but what? That is the difference of A in B. That is the difference of A in B. The elements which are present in A but not in B. So look here, whether 1 is present in A? No. Whether 8 is present in A? No. Whether 12 is present in, whether 1 is present in B? No. Whether 8 is present in B? No. Whether 12 is present in B? No. The elements which are present in A, so common, what you have to do? You have to make it the underline the common elements as in set A and B. The elements which are left in the set A are nothing but A minus B. Getting? Then what we can be write down for the B minus A? Look here. Again I am taking 0, 2, 4, 6, 9, 10. Minus B is A is that is 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 12. Again the common elements are the same, that is 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6. Okay. The elements which are present in B but not in A, whatever the left, the elements, the common elements left in the set B are nothing but whatever it is B minus of A. So look here, whether the 0 is present in A? No. Whether 9 is present in A? No. Whether 10 is present in A? No. So this is what the elements which are present in B but not in A. That is what the common difference of B minus A. Getting? So this is what the difference between the two sets of A minus B as well as B minus A. Getting? Then what is the Venn diagram for the A minus B Venn diagram? Venn diagram of the A minus B. Here how many sets we have? That is two sets, that is A and B. So this is all you have to be make it always the universal set, that is the U, and A minus B Venn diagram is that is we have the two sets A as well as B. Okay. Then what are the common elements in A and B is from A minus B I am writing. What are the common elements of A and B is 2, 4, 6. Here we have to be right compulsory. It means the elements which are present in A as well as in B, those are the middle terms. Then the remaining common elements, the remaining elements in the set A is 1, 8, 12. This is what your A minus of B. This is what your A minus of B. The elements which are present in A but not in B. So you B elements by 0, 9, that is 10. 0, 9, that is 10. This is about what? A minus B. So B minus A andre enagtidri? Next one. The Venn diagram of the B minus A. The Venn diagram of the what? The B minus A is same ಎರಡು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೇಮ್ ಬರ್ತಾವ. Getting the B minus A is, this is again the first I will take the set B here. The next one is about the what? Set A here. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೀತದೆ A minus B minus A ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬರೋದು ನಡೀತದೆ. That is A B, the common elements are 2, 4, 6 ಎರಡು ಸೇಮ್ ಇದಾವೆ. Then set A remaining is 1, 8, 12. Here 0, 9. Then B minus A is only the, make it line for the portion of the set B, but not including the common elements. Getting? Because the elements which are present in B but not in A. Getting? Well, A elements to ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. Getting? So this is nothing but what? This is, so now ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾಕೆ mark ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ರಿ? Because if you mark it this one, then those 2, 4, 6 are present in as well as in A also. Okay? So we have to make it mark only the set for the B portion. So these are the nothing but, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ A minus B, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಕಾಮನ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾಮನ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೇನಾಯ್ತು, ಅದು ಸೆಟ್ P ಒಳಗೆ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇತ್ತು. Getting? So that's why remaining left the, leave the common elements and the make it only the lines for the what, the ball which are presenting for the A. Getting? So this is nothing but what? The A minus B, the Venn diagram for the A minus B as well as for the B minus of A. Okay? Okay. So the next one is about what? The symmetric difference of the sets. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ one property ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, one note ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Okay? So by pausing the video, again you have to remove down the notes. So important note I will give. The first one note is, this is the note. The first one note is A minus B is not equal to always B minus A. This is, you should have to remember. A minus B is always equal to B minus A. Then if A is subset of B, if A is a subset of B, if A is subset of B, then what they have given? Then A minus B, then A minus B is equal to what? The null set. If A is a subset of B, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ A subset of B ಅಂದ್ರೆ the elements which are present in A but not in B. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ದು A minus B ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? That is fine. Look here. If A is subset of B means, if I take the example, A equal to, simple ತಗೋತೀನಿ, 1, 2 and B equal to 1, 2, 3. So the elements which are, what is A subset of B? What is A subset of B? When we say that A is a subset of B, if all the elements of A present in B, all the elements or every element you can take. If every element of A present in B, so 1, 2 is present in B, then A minus B is what? Leave the common elements, then what are the left in the set A is nothing but B. So that is, you can say that if A minus B is 5. Okay. If A intersection B is 5, third one. If A intersection, okay. If A intersection B is not having any common elements, so this is disjoint sets. I will let you know of this concept. Okay. If A intersection B is 5, then A minus B is equal to A, and B minus A is equal to B minus A is equal to. So this is what you can take the examples. If A intersection B is 5, then A minus B is equal to 1. A minus B is equal to 1. What you are going to do? A minus B is equal to, A minus B is equal to, what they have given? A and B minus A intersection B. Okay, sorry. This is of A minus B. A intersection B is equal to 5. It means there is no any common elements we have. For example, if I take A is equal to, again say taking the same 1, 2, B is equal to 3, 4. Take a simple example. A intersection B is what? What you get? A intersection B. Whether you have the common elements in the set A and B? No. Then what is A minus B? A minus B is, there is no any common elements. A minus B, there is no any common element. Then whatever the elements which are present in A is nothing but, that is nothing but your A minus B. B minus A is nothing but what? Whether you have the common elements as well as B and in A, then whatever the remaining elements in the B is nothing but what you are. That is, so this is A minus B is what you get again here. That is A. Then B minus A, what you get here? That is B. Okay. So this is nothing but some important note for the what? The difference of the sets. Okay. So after this one, the next one concept is after this one, you are going to be learn about the what? The symmetric difference between the sets. Okay. The next one concept is symmetric difference. Okay. So complement of set we will learn first. Okay. The fourth one, complement of set. So what is meant by the complement of set? When I consider set A, then complement of set A denoted as what? A dash. Complement of set A denoted as what? A dash, or you can write down A raised to B. No problem. That is A raised to B. That is also complement of set, we called it as. Okay. Consider set A, and complement of set A is denoted as the what? A dash. The complement of set A is one more we have to consider the set A and set U also. Okay. And consider set U. So first one properly written. A dash okay. Consider set A and set U of the universal set of the consider set A and set U of the universal complement of set A, then complement of the set A is the elements of U but not in A. The complement of set A is nothing but what? The elements of U but not in A. That is denoted as, and it is denoted as A dash, or you can take A raised to B. Then A dash is nothing but what? That is A dash is nothing but what? U minus of A we can write. This one you have to be known. If B dash, then it is U minus B. If it is a C dash, then it is U minus of C, like that. Getting? The complement of set A is nothing but the elements which are present in U but not in A. So now A minus B aga kaltevalla. So first element ayirudalla ava elements alla baribeku now. Andre remaining element common elements irodu, the elements which are left in the set A is nothing but the common difference of the A in B. Hanga U A dash andre U minus A. The common elements now yavadavu bitteve. Avu bittu the elements which are present in U but not in A. The elements present in U but not in A. That is nothing but A dash. And now set with the formula A dash is equal to, for all the elements of X such that X belongs to U but x is not belongs to A. X is belongs to you, but x is not belongs to A. That is nothing but what? You are the complement of set. Example tagotani. U is what? 1 to 8 I will take. And A is equal to what I will take? That is 2, 4, 6, 8 I will take. Then A dash is question mark. So A dash is nothing but U minus of A. This is compulsory. B dash is nothing but U minus B. First universal set. Okay. A dash U under ಏನು 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 minus A is 2 4 6 8. So whenever we are writing in the difference between the two sets, first ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? Common elements ಅನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು. Okay. So whatever the elements left in the first set is nothing but the common difference U in A. A minus B ಒಳಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದು? The elements which are present in A but not in B. First set ಒಳಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದು remaining elements ಉಳಿತಾವಲ್ರಿ? Those, that is the common difference that in the second set. Okay. So 1 3 5 7 1 3 5 7. So what is the complement of set A? The elements which are present in U but not in A. So whether 1 is present in A? No. 3 is present in A? No. 5 is present in A? No. 7 is present in A? No. So the elements which are present in U but not in A. Compulsory first we have to consider the remaining elements of the first set. The remaining elements of the first set is nothing but the given particular, the common difference of that set. Getting? Okay. So this is nothing but what? A dash. Okay. So now after this we have some important, or else first we have to write down its what the Venn diagram. Venn diagram of the what? Venn diagram. Venn diagram. So Venn diagram of what? That is U. This is universal set, and we have to write down the what? The Venn diagram of A dash. So we have only the set A here. You have to compulsory everything. Correct? Then how we are going to be write down the A dash? The elements which are present in U. So universal set ಒಳಗೆ ಯಾವ ಯಾವ ಉಳಿತಾವ್ರಿ? Universal set is the universal set, that is 1 3 5 7, and the elements which are present in A is A ಒಳಗೆ ಯಾವ ಉಳಿತಾವ? 1 3 5 7 2 4 6 8 ಬರ್ತದೆ. 2 4 6 8. So the elements which are present in U ಅಂದ್ರೆ universal set but not in A. The elements which are present in U, the elements which are present in U but not in A. So this is nothing but. So now ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಲೈನ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅವ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾವೆ. Okay, that operation. So this is nothing but what? So A dash, these are nothing but this U is nothing but what? A dash is nothing but U. Sorry, that is A dash. This is nothing but your A dash. Okay, these are the A dash elements. Okay. So this is about the what? The complement of the set. So in the complement of the set, we have some important note. Okay. So write down the note. The first one note. This is about the Venn diagram. Okay. So you have to pause the video and you have to be note down. Okay. So the first one note. These are the very important. The first one is note. That is 5 dash is U. That is 5 dash is U. How the 5 dash is U? 5 dash is nothing but what? That is 5 dash is nothing but what? U minus of 5. Again there U minus 5 is nothing but what you get? That is U. That is second one. U dash is 5. U dash is equal to 5. How the U dash is 5? U dash is nothing but what? What is U dash? That is U minus of U. That is again what you get. That is the third one. A union A dash. The third one I will write here. A union A dash. So A union, what is A dash? A dash is nothing but what? A dash is U. A union A dash. A dash is nothing but what? That is U minus of A. Okay. So A union A dash is nothing but that is phi. I get. So look here, A dash is nothing but what you get here. That is in the from this one, that is 1 3 5. I think A dash is what we get here. That is 1 3 5 7. If I do the union, sorry, A union A dash. A is nothing but this one. A union A dash is U. I'm sorry. A union A dash is U. So if I do the what? The union of these two, then what you get? That is U. I'm sorry. That is A intersection A dash is phi. A intersection A dash is phi because A intersection A dash, we doesn't have any common element from the both sides. Okay. That is A intersection A dash is phi. The fifth one, A dash of 4 dash is again what you get? A. A dash is A dash. A dash of 4 dash is again U minus of A dash. That is U andre idu, A dash andre idu baridi. Again what you get? Again what you get, that is A only. That is U minus of A dash. A dash of 4 dash is nothing but U minus of A dash. Okay. Then if X is belongs to A, then X is not belongs to, that is correct. X is not belongs to A dash. If X is belongs to A, note one element ನಾನು ತಗೊಂಡೇನೆ. From the set A, if I take the 4, whether the 4 is present in the A dash, no. Therefore, if X is belongs to A, then X is not belongs to A dash. This is the what? The actual meaning of this one. So here this is about the what? The complement of the set we have been learned, and two more concepts are that we have to be learned. That is one is the symmetric difference between the sets, and the one more is the disjoint sets that we will study in the next class. So after those two concepts, we are going to solve some basic examples regarding these concepts. Okay. So thank you. So along with this video, you have to give your attendance.